A B C C-A-T cat cat माने बिल्ली
R-A-T rat rat माने चूहा
C-A-T cat cat माने चूहा अरे दिल है तेरे पंजे में तो क्या हुआ.
Fortunately or unfortunately, it's not a matter of choice now. You have to know English. I mean, you need to know this language. No matter where you're applying, what you're doing, you need to have at least some knowledge of working English. Like, you know, how to speak it, how to write it.
It is certainly related to professional aspirations or related to the possibility of working in an international context in the future. If you were to work in Europe, if you were to work in the United States, if you were to work in England, speaking English would be the primary option.
उनका ज़्यादा है या समय की डिमांड भी ये है कि इंग्लिश को ज़्यादा प्रेफरेंस मिल रहा है हमारी सोसाइटी में भी और इवन कि हमारे यहाँ जो गवर्नमेंट है वो भी इंग्लिश को ज़्यादा प्रेफरेंस दे रही है.
It has become a very popular notion now that if you know English, because that's what even media, your gurus and everywhere, even the education system is promoting this idea that if you know the language, that means you're going to become successful, you're going to get money, fame, respect, and that's how you'll be considered knowledgeable in the society.
The point of learning English is not to ape somebody. It's just for our own administrative convenience because we don't have a single unifying language in our country.
There are many people who like to talk in English despite knowing a regional language. For instance, when I go down to my place, despite trying to speak in Konkani, people will always respond in English.
You may call it colonial hangover, you may just call it, following the herd mentality or anything. But yeah, if you know the language, then you are a part of the society. So it is probably this mentality which affects us all at different levels.
There have been a lot of times where I've been walking around with a group of people and all of a sudden someone on the street spots me among the group and they come up and say, "Oh, would you like to take a picture? I can take a picture and print it for you."
Where are you from पूछते हैं, कभी बोलते हैं पिक्चर लो, फोटो लो, ऐसा पूछते हैं उनको. मतलब इंग्लिश उन लोग को समझ में नहीं, हमें नहीं आते हैं. फिर हम लोग एक्शन करके उनको पूछते हैं, फोटो लेना है, किधर से आए आप, where are you from, ऐसा पूछ लेते हैं.
Not here, there, up in the sky. Come with me, I want to fly. Don't stop, let the whole world know. Don't stop, let the whole world know. Come fast, don't be slow.
Every language has a rhyme, a meter, a form of rhythm. And when you try to match the rhythm of English to a Hindi song or to a Hindi alap or tal or beat, I don't think you're going to get good results.
Not just Bollywood songs, even the regional songs, if you listen to them, it's really funny. One moment you're listening to the regional lyrics and suddenly there are these English made up lyrics which do not make any sense at all and do not sit in with the song, and yet they're used just to create that pop effect.
It's a very sorry state for all of us. I think as a society we should feel sorry for each other.
There will be a few English phrases tossed into the songs that don't seem to fit. Let's see, I watched a Shah Rukh Khan movie, I can't remember the name, a few days ago, where randomly in the middle of the song the word love was used, just kept using love, but he kept saying love, love, love. And so whenever I heard it, everything was going fine until all of a sudden love came out, and it was a little bit disjointed to say the least.
हमारे यहाँ जो है सोसाइटी में इस तरह का है, माइंड मेकअप एक हुआ है कि वेस्टर्न कल्चर ज़्यादा बेटर है, इंग्लिश में बात करना ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है. अगर आपका स्टैंडर्ड अच्छा है उसे आपके स्तर से जोड़ के देखा जाता है.
It's easy to blame the West, but China is not the West, China is the East, and yet China is far ahead of us when it comes to speaking English. And we do accept that China is affecting our economy too.
हमारे समाज की यही सबसे बड़ी एक विडंबना भी है, ये हमारी दिक्कत बन गई है आज कि आप भले एक भाषा में अच्छे हों, लेकिन क्योंकि औरों के साथ बात करने में, औरों के ग्रुप का एक पार्ट बनने में, सबका एक हिस्सा बनने में आपको एक ही भाषा का माध्यम लेके चलना पड़ता है. दुर्भाग्य है कि वो भाषा का दर्जा हम अंग्रेज़ी को ही देते हैं। अगर आप ठीक ठाक हिंदी बोल लेते हो और लोग हिंदी समझ सकते हैं, आप जानते हैं, तो शायद आपकी उतनी कदर ना हो, क्योंकि हर कोई अंग्रेज़ी में बोल रहा है। तो उसी भेड़-चाल में, उसी चलन में हम कोशिश करेंगे कि हम टूटी-फूटी से ही लेकिन इंग्लिश बोलें।
वैसा लेकिन हमारे समाज में आज मिडिल क्लास, हायर मिडिल क्लास ऐसे दर्जे में गया है कि वो छुपाना चाहता है, मैं महाराष्ट्रियन हूँ, नहीं, मैं फॉरेन जैसा ही हूँ। ये टेंडेंसी उसमें आ चुका है।
I here come English learn, become foreigner. Pakistani girl only marry foreigner. French beard Johnny Depp.
Knowing English is not a choice, it's not a luxury anymore. Like, it's not an option to you. You need to know English if you want to survive in this competitive, global, liberal world. The way economy is shaping us today, and the way the kind of occupations we are having, the way we have to deal with other people today, and the way it has become a part of your personality, of your existence, you need to know English. But then, to what extent do you want this language or this obsession or fitoor of knowing English dominate you is something that we need to question and control ourselves only.
हर जगह इंग्लिश चाहिए, कहाँ जाए नौकरी लेने?
इतने इंटेलिजेंट हो तो सिर्फ कमज़ोर इंग्लिश के कारण क्यों डरते हो?
इंटेलिजेंट होना काफ़ी नहीं, आज इंग्लिश की ज़रूरत हर जगह है। पर क्या करूँ, निराश क्यों होते हो?
Mainly we are into spoken English. The barriers to communication which everybody faces in today's world, like when they go and speak, they cannot speak. They know, but they cannot speak. And little bit of grammar which they have learnt in schools, they have forgotten. Like, so we brush up their grammar knowledge, and we teach them in a proper way how to have proper spoken English, and they can lead their lives in whatever field they want. Like
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
My name is Mageshwari. I am a girl. I am 11 years old. I am studying in Rostov.
My name is Babu Kale. I am a boy. I am 16 years old. I study in Rostov. I stayed at Mankur. I like playing football.
January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December.
I joined Let's Talk because I was not pretty comfortable in English, because I have come from Dehradun, where people don't speak English too much, like friends. We don't speak English too much. But here, when I come here, most of people speak English. And the course I chose, MBBS, it is full of English. I mean, you have to speak English with teachers, professors, everybody.
I have many thoughts, many expressions, but in my language. But so why it is necessary to express in English my thoughts and my expression, so they can people understand very well. So it is very useful in our business also. Because in business there are so many fast changes in stocks in every field. So you know the everything. And English is a medium of, so it is necessary to learn the English.
मैं बहुत प्रॉब्लम फेस कर चुका हूँ। यहाँ स्टूडेंट आते हैं, लोग थोड़ा हिंदी कम आते हैं, इंग्लिश ही ज़्यादा बोल देते हैं। तो इसका प्राइस क्या है, कितने का है, ऐसा नहीं पूछते, हाउ मच ऐसा मांगते हैं।
जरूर करेंगे, कुछ तो पूरा तो नहीं सीख पाएंगे, लेकिन थोड़ा बहुत तो नॉलेज तो मतलब मिल जाएगा, मतलब थोड़ा बहुत तो आ ही जाएगा।
Sir, where you want to go, madam?
I will make for you offer that cannot refuse.
Let's do hair cutting today.
How are you beautiful? How are you beautiful? How are you beautiful? How are you beautiful? अरे मेरे अंग्रेजी नहीं आता है।
I think that the quicker it goes in, the quicker it goes out. And if you have an experience where you're sitting down, memorizing grammar rules in a classroom, it'll never be the same experience as if you're actually talking to someone, actually engaging with someone who speaks English. I think that the best approach is not to force someone into a classroom and have them study English all day. I think the best way is to immerse themselves in an environment where English is around them, if that's a possibility.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
Up above the world so high,
like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
ठीक है, चलो आज बैठ जाओ। वेरी गुड।